everyone, Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to compare the Antutu benchmark scores between iQOO Z3 versus the Poco X3 device, as you can see friends. So let's see which Snapdragon processor will be having the better kind of Antutu benchmark test and how much the score actually we can expect difference between both of the smartphones. The one which is present in the iQOO Z3 is of Snapdragon 768G processor, as you can clearly see friends, 768G processor which has got the 8GB RAM variant, and the processor which is present in the Poco X3 is of Snapdragon 732G, and the variant which I'm trying to use is a 6GB RAM variant exactly. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better kind of Antutu benchmark test results. So that is what we'll be finding out exactly by comparing between both phones, and I'll try to keep an eye on the temperatures as well. Meanwhile, which phone can heat up much, that is what I'll try to check. So let me to quickly disable the Wi-Fi connection. So all the Wi-Fi and mobile everything is turned off. So I did keep into the airplane mode, as you can clearly see friends. Let me to clear all the background applications, everything, all the background applications are completely cleared. As you can see in both phones, let me to clear everything. So all the background apps completely cleared in both phones, as you can clearly see friends, and both phones have 120Hz IPS LCD panel displays. And let me to show you exactly what kind of refresh rate I'm trying to use during this time of testing. So 120Hz refresh rate I'm trying to use and 120Hz refresh rate I'm trying to use, as you can clearly see. So let's see now which phone will be having the better Antutu benchmark score. Let me try to start the Antutu benchmark test. And the final thing is to keep the brightness. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the brightness around 70% exactly in both phones, as you can clearly see friends, not 100%, only 70% brightness. So right now the test has been successfully started in both phones. Let me try to quickly check the temperatures in which phone has what kind of temperature. 33 degrees, and my room temperature is 31 degrees only. So there is no AC, there is no cooler right now turned on. So it's 33 degrees right now friends, as you can clearly see. So that is what I'll try to see which phone will be having the really low temperatures as well. Let me try to slightly decrease the volume right now. So when it's continuing, I'm trying to decrease the volume, as you can clearly see. Right now the Poco X3 has got 34 degrees temperature and 33 degrees, as you can clearly see friends, 34 and 33. As you can see, 34 degrees, and both phones are 34 degrees right now in the beginning. You can clearly see both phones are having same temperatures, and my room temperature is also 31 and 32, something around. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better Antutu benchmark score and which phone will be having the highest temperatures as well. That is what I'll try to see during this time of testing. And make sure to comment below friends, in case if you want me to do any other kind of different kind of comparison between both phones. Definitely I can do that kind of comparison between both phones as soon as possible. So right now I did a loudspeaker comparison between both phones, which phone has got the better kind of loudspeaker, dual speaker versus single speaker. So make sure to check that video in case if you are interested. So right now again I'll be back after a couple of percentage, so after a couple of minutes, so then we can check the temperature reading, how much it is in both phones. Now though, I think Antutu benchmark percentage came close to 80%. So let's check the temperatures. Right now it's 37 degrees in the iQOO Z3 and Poco X3 36 degrees. So both phones are having the same kind of temperatures, 36, 37 as you can clearly, 38 in the Poco X3, and the back side 36 and 37 as you can see friends clearly the temperatures, how much it is right now on the back side. So on the front side 37 degrees, 37, 37, 37 as you can see, 37 is the highest in the Poco X3. So 37 so far is the highest in this phone. And let's check the iQOO Z3 again. So highest is 37, as you can see friends, 37 degrees. And the back side 36, 35 as you can see friends clearly. Again I'll be back once the Antutu benchmark test has been successfully completed, then we can discuss the scores. As you can see friends, the Antutu benchmark test has been successfully completed and the final temperatures are recorded only 37 degrees in the iQOO Z3 device, as you can see friends clearly. And the back side is of 37 degrees, not much. So let's wait for the Poco X3 the test to finish, and then we can discuss the scores side by side, the GPU and the CPU scores. So then we'll be able to get to know. I think the Poco X3 finished. So right now as you can see friends, these are the scores comparison between both phones. There's not huge difference, I would say, definitely in terms of the score comparison. You can clearly see here 3,49,000 versus 4,47,000. So overall there's a difference of 1 lakh difference is there. So apart from that 1 lakh, there is not much difference you can expect. As you can see in terms of the CPU, so 1,26,000 versus 1,04,000 as you can see friends. And in terms of GPU, 1,16,000 versus 93,000. You can clearly see. So there is a difference of Antutu benchmark score, only 1 lakh difference is there between both phones. And the temperatures, both phones are increased by same percentage, same degrees they did increase, 36 degrees. So overall I think both phones are really great in terms of the temperatures keeping really low. And Antutu benchmark score, I think this was the highest recorded Antutu benchmark score in my Poco X3 device. So I'm gonna take this kind of screenshot and keep it, as I say, backup. As you can see friends, 3,49,000 versus 4,47,000. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to comment below what are your thoughts. Until then, bye.